Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about Tavey Dee, the millionaire mom. Alright guys, so throughout her years, Tavey Dee has actually been helping other people succeed online, guys. So let me show you a quick article over here. Nope, that's not it. Okay, so this is your Instagram right now, guys, and let me show you. Alright, go to this article. So she has helped over 20,000 people online succeed, guys, through her online marketing strategies, as you can see right there. Sorry for the small inconvenience. So she has made over 720,000, way more than that, guys. But as of this article, guys, she has made 720,000 through her business, guys, just in a few years. She is 28 years old, single mom. She has a few kids as well, guys. I definitely encourage you to read through this article, guys. But she is the creator of the 10x income program right here, guys. All right. She's helping people like you, like me, get these amazing results online, guys. She's basically allowing people to jump into this system where they can get commissions of 297 over and over and over and over again. And how is she doing that? Well, it's very simple through her paid traffic packages, guys. So basically, if you get one of these traffic packages, um, it's basically giving you traffic to your affiliate link. So basically, she's gathering this traffic for you guys online because she's a Google traffic expert, guys, and is basically giving you easy, easy sales. And you're probably thinking this is too good to be true. Okay, anything online where it's automated and there is no work to be done is fake, and it probably is. But I will say there is work to be done, but it's a lot easier than a few things out there, a lot of things out there. And guess what? 365-day money back guarantee. So if this is something that turns out to be not what you're thinking, guys, um, which it isn't, guys, because the stuff she says here is real, guys. I have experienced it for myself, guys, and seen the people around me winning and actually get results. And these aren't just random people to me. These are actually my friends who I've seen and met in person. Use these techniques and actually succeed with them. But hey, if this is something that you feel like you need to back out once you get in it for any reason, there it is right there. And for now it's 297, but that will not last long. There was a giant price cut recently. Because this is still new, she is still experimenting with a lot of things. So this will change soon, guys. So I would definitely recommend that you take advantage of this. All right, guys, and do not wait because this could change literally anytime. This price right here is not promised. In fact, when you come back to this video someday, this actually might change, okay? But I'm saying this now as of making this video, but this can literally update at any point, okay? So yeah, that's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. If this information was helpful to you in any way, be sure to like below and leave a comment. Only if this information was actually helpful to you guys. Because if so, that's great, and I definitely appreciate any support from you guys. As some of you might know, this is a new YouTube channel I'm starting where I'm reviewing this program and talking about it from my perspective. And I'm going to be, sharing a few things about myself and entrepreneurship throughout this journey, guys. So all support is appreciated. And I will leave a link to this page down below in the description of this video, guys, so you can actually check out and get this for yourselves. But before you do, guys, definitely do some more research on Tavey Dee yourselves. You can just Google her, Tavey Dee. Just go ahead and just Google search her and read up, guys, before you decide to move forward. Don't take my word for it. Take the word of everyone else who's been talking about her, guys. All right? Take care.